Hello Dylan, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2011 Kawasaki ZX1000 with only 14,000 kilometers on it. The price is $88.88 plus HST and licensing. HST is 13%. Licensing depends on your birthday to get the sticker and the plate and the ownership. This motorcycle comes fully certified and is in really great condition. Has adjustable windshield. You can see it's there's a little button here. Has quick adjustable parts or levers, which are really nice, high quality. Surgeon seat on it and carbon acrylic exhaust. This bike was a trade-in. We checked it. It has the service done here as well. The oil change was just done. Tires are in excellent condition here, as you see in the video. Dual carbon exhaust with baffles inside. You can take them out if you like. This is the cable for the battery charging, the battery lead. And that's pretty much everything. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.